part vandalized by people claiming to be sent by the state. We've also received cases of people having been raped. I'm sure you've read some of the articles. Again, by people who are doing it in the name of the state. And you are all aware that this is now 14 months after Mr. Mugabe exiting the political stage. But what we are seeing is actually an escalation, not only of the Mugabe type of terror, but we are actually seeing something that makes Mugabe look like a baby in terms of terrorism. We've seen very serious and gory developments in the countryside, in the urban areas, of situations where there have been serious crimes against humanity, serious human rights abuses, serious internal displacement of people, serious breakdown of the rule of law, serious of violations of fundamental freedoms as enshrined in our Constitution. This position is not just a figment of the MDC imagination, but it is something that has been indicated by the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission in line with its constitutional mandate. They've given an annotated presentation of the challenges that we have in the country.